Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Bloodlines 2. I'll show you guys how to do it. Here is the update list. As you can see, currently there is only one update is there. As you can see, V46047 to V46217. Just try to go on the zip file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. Before doing this, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. Now just right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, double click on the application. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option and select language and select OK and select next. Select next. Select the browse option and select the game installed location. You just need to select the games folder guys. In my case I saved in games folder and as you can see this is my game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and then select next and you will get this message guys already exits. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select yes install. After the installation done, uncheck both option and select finish and now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see there is no version listed over here. I'm going to show you in the just need to right click on the game and select open file location and right click on the application and select the properties and go to details tab and here we can't able to see the version but we updated successfully guys and as you can see the game opens up without having any problem and now you just need to go back to downloads and select the update files and right click and select delete option and now turn on the real-time protection then just to close stuff here and you're good to go guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.